Great prize for Neil McKernan's Beyond Racing team. Esmeril Peldet. 372 for Biralat. Sebastian, the Finn, on pole position for the Tony Cup Racing team. Another formation lap. Now race direction is Alessandro Ferrari. Raises the index finger. One more time, boys and girls. Well, he starts alongside Garrett Clark, the English Australian, for Forza Racing, 331. But it's the Finn on pole position. The fog lifting here in the north of Italy. Ian Kralik, the German, to the left of your screen. He's slightly right. And Sebastian disappears down into turn one. Rocco Coronel up into second place. Perfect start from Sebastian Letomaki. Henry Domain. What a start for the Brit. He's about to take the German, but Ian Kroll holds him off. Lev Krutogolov for Porsche Racing. A great start for the Ukrainian, but Rocco sings it. Coronel takes the lead. Fantastic pass. Down through the chicane, nervously on what is still a greasy, slippery pole track here at Lonato. Litsamaki tries to fight back. He loses the place to Main on the outside. The Ukrainian is striking behind the Finn. That is Henry looking for track position. Rocco leads for the victory lane team. Across the line for the first time. Canada, Netherlands in P1. The yellow flag is flying. The incident has taken out Bosco Arias and Darren Zheng. That is Zheng's cut on the outside of turn 3 in a dangerous position. Local yellow only, but we get through okay. Girardet is also involved. He's Alois. The French driver is out. Darren Zheng from China is out. As is the Spaniard, the two-time WSK race winner, Bosco Arias. Dorata has also come together. And Dorata is out of position 14. Bad luck for the Japanese driver for Ward Racing, who's been in great form this week. Has left Krutogolov for Porsche Racing team business. The team based at the now being rebuilt structure circuit on the outskirts of the LN Green. There's the yellow flag still for Endo Arata's car. Krutogolov for Porsche Racing, now being passed by Sebastian Letomaki as Rocco in P2. Kralik has taken the lead. Sebastian back to 4. Ethan Lennon goes purple, does the South African in P11 behind Boris Jenny. The pole for the Scotty Card Racing team who took pole position last week here at Lonato in the WSK Champions Cup. It's been a tough start to the Super Masters Series. For Boris, after a great start to 2024 in general. Boris Jenny. Now in P10, Ethan Lennon right behind. Now we go green. Ian Kralik from Germany, from Rocco Coronel, van the Netherlands. Krutogolov for Porsche Racing, the Ukrainian 3. The Finn Letomaki started on pole position for the Tony Cup Racing team, powered by the Vortex. Trying to break free of Henry Domain. The Energy Force driver in P5, remember Energy. They won the WSK Champions Cup 2 years ago with the Peruvian Andres Cardenas in similar conditions. Krutogolov led, launched it. He goes P2 for the Porsche Racing team. Coronel for victory lane back into P3. Ian Kralik in the Cub Republic continues to lead nicely as Rocco responds. Almost runs into the back of Krutogolov. It costs both of them time. Henry's P4, Henry's P3. The Brits up into third place. Rocco now defends. Here comes Scott. Lindblom in P6. Scott Lindblom, 369 for the Tony Cup Racing team. Third in the world last year. He took that incredible victory in round 1 of the WSK Euro Series at Pract last year. He makes the move, takes Rocco Coronel, but loses a place on the exit. Letomaki, his teammate, takes him, as does Pajola. loses a ton of time. He's almost off the road. Bottas, we said it is. Chris going through. Lennon now up into P8. Pract, Eiley, Christian, Jack, Eilert, Sutherland, Jared Clark, Panic Swell, Andriotis, James, Anid, Noxiadis, the Floridian, Androxine, and Barcelona, Van Netherlands, Van Droyen, Nicolossi, Tomas in the next, head of Pierre Batid. Lap 7 of 17, pre-final B for OKJ. Ian Kralik leads the way. Henry on the charge in his domain. Left through to Galoff for the Force Racing team. Rose is in on the back. Tonight, Andy Howard, Tony Kart has just been passed though by the Energy Corps. Henry goes head through. Michaela Tanagata watching on from pit lane. His British driver. Now up into second place. Ian Kralik has got the race lead. Henry Domain with a 47.4 is the fastest on track. He's catching the German. Here's the Tony Kart duo in 4 and 5. Let's mark in Pajola. Rocco back to 6. Ethan Lennon in P7. There's Rocco with the distinctive Kilo helmet. The simplest, yet the coolest helmet design in World Karting. The Dutch flag, the orange colours, on the Skillo in position 6, the victory lane driver who briefly did lead. Henry goes through. Domain makes this race here. Henry leads. Fabulous, perfect pass, left through to Galoff, follows him through, and the German Ian Kralik back to 3. Left looks back over his shoulder. They need to be wary of it. Sebastian Letomaki, who did start on pole position. The Tony Kart will get better as the race goes on. We're into the second half of pre-final B for OKJ. Round 1, the WSK Supermaster Series 2024. Rocco under attack from Golpajola in the South African. Ethan Lennon. He's Jenny quick. But out of the just the Texan Island. Just outside the top 10 of Iron. Takes P2 from left through to Galoff. What a performance from Henry Domain. He has to hold on though. He's got lap 10 of 17. Let him up, he's flying. He comes to bin. The Vortex Howard Tony Kart is now behind the I-80 Howard Tony Kart. Force Racing, the Ukrainian from the fin. Behind the German, but the Brits go P1. Before retirement, Aloysius Girardet, whose teammate does lead the way in Henry Domain. Endor Barata is out, Bosco Arias and Darren Cheng running together on turn 3 on the opening lap of the race. 31 drivers with Velocity, who had a great one in the Champions Cup. It's been a tough weekend for round 1 of the Supermaster Series for the Brits pit. Begins 2:31. Rocco under attack for Pajola, Lennon, Wiseni and Britt. Sebastian takes Lev, Letomaki. Now ahead of Kupagola is Coronel. That group of what, 5, 6 cars? Pajola, Lennon is 362. Wiseni, Britt. The 2 poles and then Quadrado Girard, the Indonesian in P10. Look at the inside rear. He's absolutely standing on it. He's left through to Galoff. The Tony Kart racer chassis powered by the Iani. It's the Vortex powered Tony Kart. Oh, Sebastian Letomaki back into P3. Henry leads it by 8 tenths to the second. Patola in the background has gone through and taken Rocco Coronel for P5. As Lectamaki ranges up on the inside, makes the move into the final corner. And the Tony Kart, the factory entry, up into second place. The Kart Republic back to third. On the rev limiter, down to his famous, his world-famous turn 1-2 complex. And South Garda Karting Leonardo. Henry Domain 1.2 seconds clear. That's going to extend because this trio is now starting to fight. Crucible off on your screen for the Bourse Racing team. The cars dance as they climb the hill. Henry Domain down through the chicane. Iron Kralik since it makes the move. They are losing a ton of time. Henry is disappearing down the road. That's Rocco Coronel. That is Ethan Lemon on your screen, and this is the race leader, Henry Domain. The gap last time, 1.2 seconds. I promise you it will be a lot more than that this time. With 4 laps to go, 2 seconds dead. Through to the last. Lectamaki, Iron Kralik, the early race leader, the German. The South Republic, round 1, the WSK Supermaster Series. We're at the centre of the karting universe. South Garda Karting Leonardo. That's Ethan Lemon coming down the hill in P6. Head of Coronel, Fidan, Buscemi, and Jack Eilers. Scotland block still stuck in P12. See the order at the bottom of your screen. Behind Scott, behind Christian, after Rockstein. James Leonard, Nociato. Fighting with Mustang Deloitte. He's been passed by the Dutchman. After in 14, the bottom of your screen is the graphic. Mustang Deloitte in P15. James Anagnostiatis on debut. The Tom Williamson Motorsport driver in 16. Head of his countryman, Jarrett Clark. No, that's not a mistake. Pascal Savalev, Tomas Genda, and Paul Andriottos rounds out the field. His final being OKJ, 82 drivers. Here for round 1 of the WSK Supermaster Series as Sebastian sends it to second place. Led ahead of Iron Kralik. The gap 2.1 seconds last time. 2.5. Henry Domain, the penultimate lap of the race. The Energy Core Team driver. The Energy Kinetic chassis. On your screen on his way to victory. He's been in brilliant form this week.
Attenzione prego, attention please.
Energy Kinetic with one.
Tutti i piloti categoria Mini GR3 U10 non qualificati per la finale, non qualificati per la finale.
Circuit in the WSK Open, that was an OK finger. Now Henry from the Kings England. From Great Britain for the team from Bergamo. 1 lap away from victory in pre-final B.
All mini of the under 10 drivers not qualified, I repeat, not qualified for the final, have to get back immediately
Henry Domain, brilliant.
the license to
From the Scotty Kart Racing team.
Thank you.
You're in 2023, but it's looking up to be a spectacular 2024. Down through the chicane. He'll win the pre-final B for OKJ. Sebastian started from pole position, the Tony Kart driver. Steps in from the Kart Republic German. White lines up, led through to the off.